Hi everyone, today let us learn the flowchart of human nerve system. The human nerve system is very important organ in the human body. It plays a very important role. There is a network-like connection between the two organs known as human nerve system. The human nerve system send the messages, send the signals to the different parts of a body to do the particular activity, to do the particular functions. Isn't it? This nerve system plays a very important role by helping, by controlling, by giving the signals, by giving the message to the different parts of your body so that they perform well their activities. For example, we are eating, standing, writing. These are all simple activity. With the help of the nerve system, we are able to do it. Yes, isn't it? We are standing. This is one activity that we are able to stand, isn't it? It balances our body. The nerve system is balancing our body so that it's sending the signals so that the organs are performing the simple activities. The nerve system is controlling and there is a communication signal so that the activities are done in a proper way, isn't it? So this nerve system are based on the two main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. They both have a specific function but both work together to send the messages and the signals throughout the body. This central nervous system is a main control center of a body. It is made up of brain and a spinal cord. This brain is a most powerful organ in a human body. It is located in the head and it is protected with the skull. This brain has three parts: cerebellum and medulla oblongata. These three parts play a very important role in the brain. This cerebellum is the largest part in the brain. It has a capacity of thinking. Yes, what we are thinking, isn't it? It helps us to think the ideas, the creativity. If we are doing some project, we need a creativity, isn't it? We are thinking with the help of this cerebrum. It helps us to control the emotions. These are all activities are done in the cerebrum. And it helps us to balance our body. And so many things that with the help of the cerebrum we are able to do it. And this cerebrum is called as a set of intelligent. Cerebellum is the second largest part. It is behind the brain. This cerebrum is control the voluntary muscles. What are the voluntary muscles? For example, running, walking, dancing, etc. These are all our voluntary muscle. With the help of the cerebrum, we are doing the voluntary muscles. A single activities. Okay. If we are practicing something, okay, with the help of the object, if we are practicing 1 or 2 times, it is stored in a mind, isn't it? In the part of the cerebellum. If we are doing something, for example, we are riding, isn't it, a bike or cycle, 1 or 2 times we are practicing. After that, it is stored in our cerebellum so that for the next time we are perfectly ride it. This is a simple activity. This medulla oblongata is the smallest part in the brain. It is located in the lower region of the brain. This medulla oblongata perform the function of involuntary functions. For example, heartbeat, digestion, isn't it? These are all are controlled in the medulla oblongata. This medulla oblongata is extended downwards to form a spinal cord. This spinal cord is a very thick nerve and it is also called as a bundles of nerve and it is enclosed in a vertebral column. It is protected so that it is safe. It is protected from the external injuries. This spinal cord is act as a relay station. It carries the messages and it sends the messages. From where to where? It carries the message from the brain and send to the different parts of your body. Then it collects the messages from the different parts of our body, sent to the brain. They act as a relay station in between. Okay. This is a short function of the spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is responsible for carrying the message to and from the central nervous system. And it is made up of a nerve. The nerves are originated from the brain and the spinal cord known as cranial nerve and spinal nerve. Okay. This nerve is formed as a thin wire-like structure Send the messages, signals throughout the body, and each nerve is have a several nerve fiber, and further it is known as a cell, nerve cell or a neuron. These nerves are again divided into three parts: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. These are all nerves are help in the carrying the message from the brain to the different parts of your body. The sensory nerves carry the messages from the sense organs. What are the sense organs? The eyes, nose, mouth, tongue, skin. These are all the sense organs. They carry the message from the sense organ to the brain, and from the brain to the sense organ, and they only move in the one direction. Okay, this motor nerves carry the message from the brain to the different part of a body to a muscles, so that it helps in the contract and relaxation. With the help of a motor nerve, we can move, we can stand, and it also move in the one direction. Mixed nerve, they are connected to the sensory and the motor nerve. They are moved in the two direction. They carry the message from the brain to the different parts of our body, and from different parts they are carrying the message to the brain. They are connected to the sensory and motor nerve, so they are called as a mixed nerve. This is a short brief explanation of the flowchart of a human nerve system. If you like this explanation, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.